The process that an insurance company uses to determine how much you are owed after an insurance claim is called claims adjustment. The claims adjuster assigned to your claim will assess the damages or losses you incurred and determine the appropriate amount of compensation based on several factors. First, the adjuster will review your insurance policy to determine the types of damages or losses covered under your policy. They will also check for any exclusions or limitations that may impact your claim. Next, the adjuster will investigate the damages or losses by visiting your property, taking photographs, and interviewing witnesses or other parties involved. They may also consult with experts, such as contractors or engineers, to evaluate the extent of the damages. Once the damages have been assessed, the adjuster will calculate the estimated cost of repairs or replacement. This may involve obtaining estimates from contractors or using a cost database that provides pricing information for labor and materials. The adjuster will then compare the estimated cost of repairs or replacement to the limits of your policy to determine the maximum amount of compensation available to you. They may also consider factors such as your deductible and any depreciation of the damaged property. Finally, the adjuster will provide you with a settlement offer that outlines the amount of compensation you will receive for your claim. If you agree to the offer, the insurance company will issue payment. If you do not agree, you may negotiate with the adjuster or file an appeal with the insurance company.